Hi, this is Gagandeep Singh, and I am actively looking forward to moving to Canada. So that is the only reason I joined hands with the Aptech Consultancy, and so to get my PR as soon as possible. So for this reason, so I would like to share the process that happened with me till now. It's been around 1.5 year. So starting with, so I have done IELTS. So however, I was not able to score 888 that is the required score for uh, getting the CRS ban to Canada. So I was not able to get that. So my score average was around 7, but not this required one. So and so the process that happened, like firstly we fill the SINP form. So we are trying from Saskatchewan uh, nomination program, and from Saskatchewan there was a requirement for the CIPS, that's a license for the persons who are in IT backgrounds. Just to let you know, I am from the IT background. I'm currently working with HCL Technologies right now. So we have given the test for CIPS. So the CIPS team has taken longer time for reverting to us. So like they took around 1 year to get back to us with the license details. So we got the license just now recently, last month. And now I hope, since we have received the license, I hope my profile will be shortlisted by the SINP, because there is a high demand in the Saskatchewan for the IT guys. So for that reason, I hope they will assign me 600 more points, and which will add up to my score, and maybe that will sum up to 900. So currently my score is 385. Since the CRS cutoff was going somewhere around 430, 450, so it seemed impossible to get that score by attempting IELTS around 6 to 7 times, but still this my score was same. So what else I would like to tell you about is CIPS. So the Aptech team is working harder with us, with the persons who are looking forward moving to the countries like Canada, Australia. So the team is very helpful.